In this video, you'll learn how to build on bubble.io in just a few minutes, so you can create powerful web apps without writing a single line of code. First, go to bubble.io and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click New App, give it a name, and choose whether to start from a template or begin with a blank canvas for full creative control. Next, explore the visual editor. On the left, you'll find the Elements panel, in the middle, your design canvas, and on the right, the property editor where you can customize every element of your app with just a few clicks. Now, start designing your interface. Drag and drop elements like buttons, input fields, text, images, and containers onto the canvas. Customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand and create a clean, professional look. After that, set up your database inside Bubble. Go to the Data tab, create data types for users, products, or anything your app needs, and add fields to store all the information your users will interact with. Once your design and data are ready, use Bubble's workflow editor to add logic. Create actions like user signups, form submissions, payments, and page navigation without touching a single line of code. And that's it. Your app is now built on bubble.io, fully functional, scalable, and ready to launch to real users anywhere in the world.